Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my brand new Apple AirPods Pros 3. So I'm so excited. This is my first time ever owning a pair of AirPods Pros. I've had the second generation, which was the one that started introducing wireless charging from the first AirPods. And now I'm moving on to AirPods Pros. So I'm actually so excited. I have been wanting AirPods Pros for a while and I finally have them here in my hands. So I'm going to go ahead and open them and let's set them up together. Before we get started, hi, my name is Alex Torres. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I do helpful technology videos and also some fun unboxings like this. So turn on the bell so you get notified when those videos get published. So let's get started with the video. So here are the AirPods. Again, these are the Apple AirPod Pro 3rd generation. So I'm so excited. In the front of the box, you get the product. On the side, it says Apple. On the back, it tells you about the AirPod Pro's 3rd generation. On the top, it says AirPods Pro, Apple, and then on the bottom, and at the bottom, it just tells you the model number and the device. And also on the side right here, I have my iPhone, so we can get these set up right now with on my Apple ID. So let's go ahead and flip it over and start the unboxing. So here is the first pull tab. Let's go ahead and pull it open. Oh, I like that feeling. It always feels so good to open your Apple product. And now the bottom one. Oh, yay, so exciting. Now let's go ahead and flip it over and lift the lid. And here they are, they're coming up. And here it says designed by Apple in California. So in here we have the instructions. It says AirPods Pro. It shows you how to set up the device. Oops. Number 1, turn on Bluetooth and Control Center, AirPods Pro. And oops, sorry about that. We have how to replace or scan for a fit guidance. So I can go run through these right here from the start, and you guys can pause the video if you would like to see any of the instructions. And something cool about these is that now you can actually track your heart rate during workouts using the AirPods, which is really cool. And on the back, it also tells you the functions. I'll go ahead and run through each of these, and then you can pause the video. Something cool is that you can charge using your MagSafe adapter or an Apple Watch charger, which is really cool, and of course USB-C. Let's go ahead and close this booklet up. And in here we have safety and handling, regulatory information, warning, which is for the batteries, and then Apple 1-year limited warranty. And that's pretty much it for the booklet. Let's go ahead and put these back in here. And no Apple stickers. I don't think AirPods actually do ship with Apple stickers. My other headphones do not come with Apple stickers. And in here we have our AirPods Pro. So let's go ahead and lift them up. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and set these aside for a moment. And then in here we have the tips. And that's pretty much it for the box. That's the only thing in here. We have extra tips, so we can open this up. Again, it was in the instructions that said size, extra small, small, medium, and large. So here are the tips. It says extra small. Again, you would just swap the ones that come in here already, the default ones, and put the size you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these aside because I don't think I'll need these. But here they are in case of anything. So let's get onto the AirPods. So here are the AirPods. Let's go ahead and pull out the wrapper. Okay, here, let's go ahead and remove the plastic. There we go. Oh, it got stuck here. Okay, and here are the AirPods. So right here on the top, you get the AirPods, the case, and in the bottom, it has a microphone and USB-C. And now, brand new on these AirPods, now it has a speaker. So you can use this on the Find My app. If you can't locate them, it will now beep right here. And then you could attach like a strap or something right here. And in the back, it just says, designed by Apple in California, if it focuses. So let's go ahead and open this up and start connecting it with my iPhone. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let me go ahead and unlock my phone. And that's all you need to do to pair it. So I'm going to go ahead and start a screen recording as well in case. So from here, all you need to do is open up the case like you would, like this. There we go. AirPods Pro. It's super easy to connect. All you do is open it and it automatically starts. We're gonna go ahead and click on connect. You heard a chime. So let's go ahead and follow these steps. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my AirPods in my ears. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, both AirPods. Okay. Then we're gonna click on continue. They're in my ears right now. And of course, this will all depend with you, but the AirPods sound really good in my ear. Like they don't feel loose or anything. So perfect. I'm gonna click on my AirPods fit comfortably. If they didn't, that's what you would use the replacement tips right here. So I'm gonna click on that. Press once to play, pause, accept calls, and mute twice to skip forward or end calls. Volume control. Oh, that's really cool. I did not have that with my old AirPods. Listening mode, press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. And control center, press the volume slider for additional controls, noise cancellation, and transparency. That's really cool. Personalized volume, so I guess it'll automatically adjust to the volume of media in response to your environment. You can turn on that now or not now. I'm just gonna go ahead and press on not now. When you start speaking, AirPods Pro will lower media volume, reduce background noise, and enhance the voices in front of you. So again, you can do that, turn that feature on now or not now. I'll go ahead and do not now. So now control your AirPods by moving your head. Move your head up and down or side to side to accept, decline calls, and to interact with your notifications without speaking or using your hands. You could also customize gestures and Bluetooth settings. Let's go ahead and turn that on. You can track your workout with the heart rate now. When you start a workout with the fitness app or supported third-party workout apps, AirPods Pros can provide your heart rate and motion data. That's really cool. Protect your hearing. Use AirPods Pros and Transparency to protect your hearing from noisy environments. Hearing test. You can take a hearing test from your AirPods now. And hearing assistance. So I'm going to hit not now. There we go. They are already connected. So I'm going to click on done. And now my AirPods are connected here on my iPhone. Right now we have conversation awareness off. So I'm going to go ahead and do listening mode. Oops. And we're going to go ahead and do transparency. So right now my AirPods are in my ear and it sounds like I don't even have anything on in my ear. So I am sitting down right now because I was doing the unboxing video. I have transparency mode on right now and it sounds like I don't have any AirPods on right now in my ears, which is really cool. So that's pretty much it. That was the unboxing and the setting up of my AirPod Pros 3rd generation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.